Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, I'm just going to polish this aluminum tray with the Simichrome polish. So what we're going to do is take some of the Simichrome polishing paste and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to the aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Simichrome delivers a high gloss aluminum finish in just seconds by removing oxidation with precision. It buffs out smooth, leaves no residue behind, and adds a subtle protective coating that keeps the shine lasting. I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.